everybody, it's Erin Reed, and I just got some new fun stuff in from Arteza. I love it. I love that the prices are so reasonable and you can get a big bang for your buck. Supply lists are going to be down below for you guys, so you can check it out. So I picked out some fun stuff. Let's take them one at a time. All right, so the first one I picked up was these wooden slices. Now, I have, for wood slices, I have lots of amazing ideas for Christmas and for the fall timeframe. So it comes with a big batch of twine, mostly because in the top of the wood slice there already is a pre-drilled hole. The cool thing about wood is that they're not all consistent. So each one you're going to do is going to look a little different. I love the rings in it. Just look at that. It is so cute. There's lots of bark on them, very rustic, and everyone's going to be just a little bit different. So there's so many fun craft ideas that you can do with these, just from a simple put a sticker in the middle, or just a quickie little painting or a stamp, or you can get super elaborate. It really depends on what you want to do. Second thing I picked up were these mini canvases. These are little 4x4 canvases. Just opening it for you guys to see. They come in, no, they're individual. It looks like they're pairs, but they're individual little mini canvases. They already come with a stand, and I figure these would be so cute. Let me open one up real fast. So a little 4x4 canvas is awesome because they already, they're nice and small. So do a small little piece of artwork if you want to do a paint pouring or something. And then you have a cute little stand. Obviously, you can rest it on there. So it makes it, or you can just leave it as is. I mean, you can use this for something else. So I kind of have ideas for both of these products. They are already acrylic gesso primed. And in this box, it has 14 of them, which I think is fantastic. They have a ton of other canvases also, ranging in sizes, some with little mini easels, some without. It really depends on the size that you're looking for. But it's a nice little canvas, and it's a wood backed. There's no staples in the back, which I think is nice, and it's just really, really awesome. So that was the second thing I picked up. The third thing I grabbed were these 36 metallic acrylic colors. I love the fact that they're metallic. I think that's so cool. There's 36 colors. They're light fast. They have a transparency. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with them and see what I'm gonna do with them. But here they are. Look at them. So they're little tiny tubes. Well, they're not super tiny. There's actually quite a lot in here. But I just wanted to pull, actually, you know what? I'm going to pull out, let's pull out a pink. I'm going to do a little kind of a blob on a sheet of paper for you. So I just want to see what these colors look like. Ooh, pretty. And there is a little bit, it's not super like massive metallic, but they're definitely, oh yeah, there's a total sheen to that. That is so pretty. And it's thick. It's not a super liquidy. So they're nice and thick. Look, it's holding. I just this on an envelope, but look, it's holding and it's doing great. So you could always thin it out. You could have lots of fun with that. But yeah, so now I have 36 different metallic paints that I can play with. And the last thing I grabbed are these glitter gel pens. I just fell in love with these. I'm gonna open up real fast. I mean, take a look at these. Love them. I already have a couple other sets of pens from Arteza. I have these gel pens right here, and I love them. I use them all the time. My kids keep trying to take them to do their general homework. I'm like, no, you're not taking my pens. These are really, really nice pens. I love the grip on them. So I thought I would try the gel pens, and I'm just going to kind of play with them. They're so pretty. I love it. And look at all the colors. Oh, look how vibrant. They're cool. I have a project in mind of what we're going to do with these, and my daughter is going to go bonkers. And there's quite a nice variety of colors. So like just looking at the greens, I have 3 different colors of green in here. Look at that. I love that. I love that there's 3 different colors in there, and you can see them on the ends. And there's 2 different blues. I just want to color swatch the 2 blues. So here's the first blue. Make sure I don't grab it. It looks like it's the lighter of the 2. Yeah, and there's the darker one. I don't remember which green I grabbed. So I'm going to do all 3. So here's the first, just to see the difference in them. Here's the second, ooh, like a lime green. And then here is the third. Oh, it definitely isn't in between. So yeah, lighter to darker. And then we've got a couple of reds, a pink. I mean, you definitely have the entire rainbow. I'm curious what this one is. Silver probably? Yep. And I bet the yellow could also kind of be like a gold. Yeah, I already did the yellow one there. So yeah, it kind of acts like a gold if you want to, or a yellow, depending on which direction. I have this little jar that's on my desk, and these Arteza pens are gonna go in with that. Aha, now I have all my pens in one spot because they're all together. I love it. Loving my pens. So I can't wait to jump in and play with all these wonderful products. They are so super cute. I mean, just look at them all. They're so pretty. I think the pens are probably going to be the first one. Just because they're going to be sitting on my desk, I'm going to grab them. But I have some wonderful ideas of things I'm going to use for my other items that I got. These metallics. Can't wait. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my fun new Arteza products. Seriously, there's not been a single product I've gotten from Arteza that I have not absolutely loved, including this back mat that you are seeing currently. This is an amazing mat that I got from Arteza about 2 months ago, and it is amazing. I have a rotary blade. I mean, I have quite a few different products. The other pens, brush pens, they're Everblend markers. I'm loving them all, and the price point you just cannot beat. So links are down below for these, but also just a general link to get to Arteza, so that way you can get some products for yourself if you need anything. With Christmas coming up, it is a great place to pick up some fun crafty items for your personal Christmas list. Thanks so much, everybody. Please subscribe. I will see you guys again soon. Don't you love my little bling I got? This is from Pura Vida. I love it. Link for that down below too. Love my new jewelry. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.